Greetings. Welcome to this presentation on ISO 14001 and life cycle analysis. Life cycle analysis is the technique to analyze the environmental impact of products from cradle to grave. Conventionally, the organizations manufacture and assemble the products, and after the expected life, it is disposed of. Organizations were not responsible for the product after the disposal. Environmental regulations have compelled the organization to be responsible for the end of the life phase. Now, recycle and waste management has become part of the processing system. The main purpose of this is to achieve sustainability. Now, most of the large-scale organizations are ISO 14000 certified. As per clause 6.1.2 of 2015 version of life cycle perspective is an important aspect. ISO 14040 also supplements this framework. ISO 14044 also emphasizes on human health impact and global warming. India, a developing nation, has many second-hand goods imported. ISO 20245 established criteria for cross-border trade of second-hand goods. 8 of the UN Sustainable Development Goals are having impact with disposal procedures. Sustainable Development Goal 12 is for responsible production. To achieve this, the disassembly and disposal procedure should be specified at design stage. Sufficient research has been carried out about this impact of waste. Being a universal problem, this study has large scope. Ideal solutions are available for various areas of concern. Still, disposal of very large plants are carried out arbitrarily. Many second-hand ships are broken in our seashores without specified disassembly procedures. This problem shall be more with e-waste in future. Practical solutions to this issue is possible with sufficient competent professionals in this field. They have to be innovative and creative to find out reuse to save the future. National Skill Development Corporation has Skill Council for Green Jobs. Various qualification packs are specified. Sample trades in this sector are from waste picker to waste manager. There are detailed qualification for each trade. Already these are specified and available at their website, NSDC website. These professionals can provide global opportunities for the unorganized sector. Society has to encourage youth to get certified in these trades so they can have a livelihood with dignity. Brevi Multiskilling Academy is conducting awareness programs in these trades. More support is required to spread the opportunities. For more details, send valuable comments to this email. I sincerely thank the organizers for giving me this valuable opportunity. Thank you, thank you, thank you.